Hello, I'm Dr. Daniel Byrne. I'm a general practitioner and I'm going to show you how to set the access code, or what we commonly call a PIN or PIN number in Australia, how to protect your My Health record. I think having a My Health record is a fantastic idea, but I also think you should be able to protect it with a access code or a PIN. But it's a little bit tricky to learn how to set one. So follow me. So as I said, I'm Dr. Daniel Byrne, but I'm also patient Daniel Byrne. So I click on my name up the top right corner here and go to My Health Record Setup. And now I have to find Privacy and Access. Click on the right hand side here. And now I want access by healthcare providers, and I want to manage access. So I click on the manage access option there. Now, just to show you how you can block various health professionals. So these are general practices in Adelaide where I've done some training on the My Health record to those GPs, but I don't want them accessing my health record in the future, so I've blocked them. But Chandler's Hill Surgery is where I work as a GP, and I need to have access so I can upload documents. But for all other healthcare providers, I might end up in a hospital or seeing a doctor in Queensland or Western Australia, and I might be quite happy for that healthcare provider to access my health record, but I'll give them the code. So I'm going to put in a 4 to 8 character code. So obviously I'll change this in reality after this tutorial. Click continue, confirm. So now any healthcare provider in Australia cannot access my record unless they have that record access code, which I will give them when I want to. So if I'm at the podiatrist who doesn't need to access my record, I won't give them the code. They won't be able to access my health record. But if I'm seeing a specialist for any reason, and it's useful for them to have access to the My Health record so that they can give me better healthcare, then I'll hand over the code. Now, it's important for everyone to realise that in the event of emergency, there is what we call a break glass feature. So in the emergency, any health professional can access the My Health record, but that's audited. They'd have to have a very good reason to do so. And I would be able to track that they'd done that once I'd hopefully recovered, of course. So there you go, that's how simple it is. Just click on your name in the top right corner, go to My Health Record Setup, scroll down to Privacy and Access, and Access by Healthcare Providers, and over here on the right, organise your 4 to 8 digit code, and you'll have given yourself a PIN number, a record access code. I hope this small tutorial was helpful.